Mastering the Rasengan took Jiraiya 3 years. Well, it took me 3 days. No CGI, no camera tricks, just pure physics. Today, I'm turning anime into real life by creating a Rasengan energy ball on my hand. The way this works is that it uses 4 LEDs that spin in a first axis of rotation and then in a second axis of rotation. Usually, fast moving light appears blurry to the eye, so they blend together to form a spherical ball of light that forms the Rasengan effect. Now, here is a closer view of the whole thing. This space right here is for 2 small calculator batteries that powers the 4 LEDs. Then the LEDs are mounted on this small motor, which rotates it in one axis. This battery and this switch controls the small motor, and as you can see, everything is mounted onto the shaft of this bigger motor. And here we have the switch that controls the bigger motor, and finally a 6V battery as the power supply. So the first switch controls the first axis of rotation and the second switch controls the second axis. So to turn it off, you have to first turn off the second switch before turning off the first or the smaller switch. If you think this was cool, then give this video a like and subscribe for more builds.